Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. Today we are going to do this.
So I did it again, left my radar detector on and drained my battery. So I went to Harbor Freight and I was going to get a cheaper jump starter, but I found this Viking lithium ion jump starter. It's very compact and it puts out the juice for a V6. So let's unbox this and let's check this thing out. So it's 1000 peak amps, 12 volts. It's very compact. It's got a slip resistant coating. It's got a USB outlet. It has a LED spotlight as well. And it's a lithium ion battery. Alright, so right off the bat, it says to do a full charge first before using it. There's the manual. There's a carrying case. Charger. And alligator clips that hook into it. This is very compact. This is definitely an improvement over yesterday's jump starters. But this is where you plug it in to charge it. You see up there at the top the USB. There's the LED light where you plug in the alligator clips. Alright, it's at 75%. Alright, let's plug in our alligator clips to see how this works. Alright, let's get this charged up. Alright, the indicator is pretty good for showing you where the charge is. Alright, let's prepare to test. We got it fully charged. There's the indicator, full charge. Let's plug in our alligator clips. So you can see that flashing green light there. That it makes it idiot proof. So if it's not lined out, you got the cable in the wrong spot, it's not doing anything. It is completely idiot proof. So let's plug our positive first. Then let's plug our black onto the negative. And we should get a steady green light. And there it is. So that tells us that we are safe and that it's good to go. Alright, let's start it up. Wow, starts right up. Let's test this LED light. So it's got an SOS. There's how bright that light is. That's pretty bright. There's an SOS. Let's go ahead and take these off. You can see it went back to a flashing green light, so that's a great safety feature, especially if you've got someone who really doesn't know how to do this. I'm liking this, and it's extremely compact. Look at that. I can barely fit anything in there other than a William Jack. So what do you guys think about the Viking lithium ion jump starter from Harbor Freight? That this is better than yesterday's jump starters, if you ask me. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And thank you for joining me, and we'll see you next time.